If you're looking for a prop trading firm, look no further. In this video, I'm going to compare FTMO and the 5%ers. Hey there, my name is Reiss, and in this video I'm going to compare two of the top prop trading firms out there, FTMO and the 5%ers. Both of these firms offer excellent services and benefits, but there can only be one winner, so let's see who comes out on top. FTMO and the 5%ers are both proprietary trading firms that offer funded trading accounts to traders. FTMO requires traders to pass a mandatory challenge before trading with a maximum account size of $200,000. At the same time, the 5%ers offer various instant funding account options with account sizes ranging from $6,000 to $4 million, and a newer alternative called the Bootcamp Challenge. Now, let's talk about the funding process of both firms. First, we will start with FTMO. With a comprehensive evaluation process to identify talented traders, FTMO provides a unique opportunity to trade with a funded account of up to $400,000. FTMO's evaluation process is divided into two stages: the FTMO Challenge and Verification. The FTMO Challenge is your chance to show off your trading abilities and strategies. You'll be given a balance of $10,000 and tasked to make a profit of $1,000 within 30 days. There is no room for slacking off, as there is daily loss limit of $500 and an overall loss limit of $1,000, and you'll need to trade for at least 10 days. But don't worry, once you pass the FTMO Challenge, the verification stage is slightly less stringent. You'll still need to make a profit of $500 within 60 days, but with a bit more breathing room, a daily loss limit of $500 and an overall loss limit of $1,000. Prove your worth and join the ranks of FTMO's funded traders, with two types of accounts to choose from, normal and aggressive. You'll sure to find the perfect fit for your trading style. To start your journey of success with FTMO, feel free to find the link in the description to open an account. Next, let's talk about the 5%ers funding process. You can choose from two existing options: the Instant Funding Program or the Bootcamp Program. With the Instant Funding Program, you can choose from three account sizes: $24,000 account, $40,000 account, or $80,000 account. With a low-risk account, you have a 6% profit target. With an aggressive account, profit target is 12%. Receive 25% of your choosing account size as real capital and reach your profit target to receive the full funding. Follow specific rules to maintain your account and grow it with a double trading capital up to a maximum of $4 million. With Bootcamp Program, you pay a small entry fee and complete demo stages with a 6% profit and 5% loss limit. Use stop losses and risk no more than 2% of your balance. Complete demo stages and move on to live trading. Demonstrate your skills, reach profit targets, and keep growing your account. Are you ready to take the next step in your trading? Sign up with the 5%ers funding program in the link in the description below. Now let's talk about the cost of FTMO and the 5%ers. FTMO and the 5%ers are both great options for traders who want to get started in the trading game. But it's essential to understand the differences between them when it comes to the cost. For FTMO accounts, all traders must pay one-time refundable registration fee depending on the size of their funding, ranging from $155 for a $10,000 account up to $1,080 for a $200,000 account. Once the evaluation program has been completed successfully, traders can access FTMO's full range of tools and features at no additional cost. The 5%ers offer 3 funded capital account sizes along with participation fees. For example, the $24,000 account includes starter capital at $6,000 and a $235 participation fee. Users will pay more for their higher levels, $40,000 and $80,000 in both initial capital and participation fees. Additionally, the 5%ers Bootcamp program has 2 demo accounts available, each with a different cost: $95 for $100,000 demo or $205 for its live versions, and $225 and $350 respectively for their high options. So how do both of the firms split profit? Let's find out. FTMO and the 5%ers offer 2 different models when it comes to profit splits. FTMO has a default ratio of 80-20, meaning traders get to keep 80% of their profits. However, this can increase to 90-10 for traders who meet the conditions of their scaling plan. On the other hand, the 5%ers operate on a 50-50 profit split. While this may be less favorable than other options, traders benefit from getting instant funding, and with that comes the cost of the larger share of profits for the provider. Ultimately, it's up to each trader to decide which option best suits their needs and goals. Lastly, let's talk about their customer support. FTMO and the 5%ers offer different levels of customer support, making it important to weigh the pros and cons before selecting each one. Regarding availability, FTMO's customer support is available 24/7, while the 5%ers only offer customer support during specific hours on certain days of the week. Regarding language support, FTMO offers 15 languages, but language options are not mentioned on the 5%ers website. Regarding contact methods, FTMO provides a range of options including email, live chat, WhatsApp, and phone, while the 5%ers include email and phone support only. Finally, both companies have friendly and knowledgeable teams, but FTMO's team is specifically noted as helpful. Overall, it appears that FTMO has a more comprehensive and widely available customer service than the 5%ers. In addition, customers have access to additional contact methods and language support at all times with FTMO, making this option the ideal choice if you value convenience and top-notch customer service. In conclusion, FTMO and the 5%ers offer traders an opportunity to trade the financial markets using funds provided by the companies. However, each company has its own evaluation process, funding options, and trade requirements, so it's essential to carefully consider all of these details before enrolling in each program. It can be challenging to decide between FTMO and the 5%ers as both offer very compelling opportunities. Ultimately, it comes down to personal goals and preferences when deciding the most suitable. So if you're interested in taking advantage of what both have to offer, make sure you look closely at all terms and conditions. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. We'll be bringing you more comparisons like this soon. Thank you.